Hey guys, I'm back and I'm gonna make you guys more videos. For some reason, I feel like making videos, and I got new stuff coming up, and on Mondays and Saturdays, I'll make you guys videos, and we got new plush videos that I will make, and some other random stuff, so yeah, I'm back, and yeah, I hope you guys missed me. So today's May, and I promised that I'll be back on May, and I'm sorry that I made it I couldn't make this video like early because I was too busy doing stuff. So I hope you like this video and subscribe to me, and I hope I have more subscribers. And goodbye.